Hello everyone. Myself, lecturer Miss Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques from KK Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori, Nasik. Today we are going to discuss about the topic posology, that is calculations of doses of drug from pharmaceutics 2. The topics to be covered are as follows: introduction to posology, that is dose and dosage of drugs, and calculations of doses on the basis of age, body weight and surface area. Introduction to posology. The posology is derived from the Greek word that is posos, means how much, and logos means science. So posology is a branch of a medical science which deals with the dose or the quantity of drugs which can be administered to a patient to get the desired pharmacological action. The dose of a drug, it cannot be fixed rigidly because various factors are responsible, that is age, sex, severity of the disease, etc. The official doses in the pharmacopoeia, it represent the average range of a quantity suitable for adults which is administered orally within the 24 hours. When other routes of administration are followed, the relevant appropriate dose is given. The calculation of doses. The dose of a drug it given in the pharmacopoeia represents the average maximum quantity of a drugs which can be administered to an adult orally within 24 hours. The doses are also calculated in proportionate to the age, body weight and surface area of the patient. The dose proportionate to the age. There are a number of methods by which the dose for a child it can be calculated from the adult dose. The formula is given by various scientists which are as follows. First one is a Young's formula for calculating the dose of a child. Then second, Dilling's formula. Then Freud's formula. And last one is the Cowling's formula. The Young's formula, this formula is used for calculating the dose for the children under 12 years of age. The formula is given as dose for the child is equal to age in years upon age in years plus 12 into adult dose. Second one, that is the Dilling's formula. This formula is used for the calculating the doses for the children in between 4 to 20 years. This formula is considered better because it is easier and quick to calculate the dose. The dose for the child is age in years upon 20 into adult dose. Then third one is a Freud's formula. This formula is used for calculating of a dose for the infants up to 2 years. The dose for the infants is equal to age in a months upon 150 into adult dose. The fourth one, that is the Cowling's formula, is given as dose for the child is equal to age at the next birthday in years upon 24 into adult dose. The dose proportionate to the body weight, that is the Clark's formula used to calculate the dose on body weight, which is given as follows. The dose for the child is equal to child's weight in a kg upon 70 into adult dose. This Clark's formula is for a weight in a kg, and another formula, that is when the child's weight is given in a pound, the formula used or derived by the Clark's is as follows. The Clark's formula is equal to child's weight in a pound, that is represented by lb, upon 150 into adult dose. And last one, that is a dose proportionate to surface area. In this method, the dose is calculated accordingly to the surface area. It's the more satisfactory and appropriate method than based on age method. Means the percentage of adult dose is equal to surface area of a child upon surface area of adult into 100, or the Katzel's formula that is derived as the dose for the patient is equal to surface area of a patient in a meter square upon 1.73 meter square into adult dose, where 1.73 meter square is equal to the average adult surface area. What we learned from this topic, posology, that is what is a posology and the calculations of the doses on the basis of age, body weight and surface area. If we having the problem sums for solving purpose which are based on a posology, and if we have to calculate the number of doses for the respective drugs on the basis of age, body weight and surface area, then all these formulas which we are studied now or see in this presentation that are used for calculating the number of doses of various drugs. Thank you.